Are your kitchen cabinets overflowing with half-open bags of rice, pasta, coffee, or cereal? Do you want a cleaner, more organized kitchen while keeping your food fresher for longer? Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today we're reviewing the 3-piece stainless steel food storage container set, a stylish, airtight, BPA-free storage solution designed to organize your pantry, refrigerator, and kitchen while protecting your food from moisture and air. Let's unbox it and see if these containers are worth adding to your home. Inside the package, you'll find 3 stainless steel storage containers in different sizes, each with its own airtight lid. Right away, the brushed stainless steel finish gives these containers a premium appearance. Unlike clear plastic containers that can discolor, stain, or absorb odors over time, these look modern, durable, and built to last. The first thing that stands out is the quality of the stainless steel construction. The containers feel sturdy without being overly heavy. The brushed finish resists fingerprints better than polished steel, while giving the kitchen a clean, professional appearance. Each lid features an airtight sealing system designed to reduce exposure to air and moisture. That means dry foods stay fresher for longer, while helping prevent humidity from affecting ingredients like coffee beans, flour, sugar, cereal, pasta, rice, tea, nuts, and pet food. The containers also stack neatly, making excellent use of cabinet and pantry space. Having 3 different sizes makes the set surprisingly versatile. The larger container is ideal for storing rice, flour, pasta, cereal, or pet food. The medium size works well for coffee beans, sugar, oats, snacks, or dried fruit. The smaller container is perfect for tea bags, spices, candy, nuts, or baking ingredients. Instead of multiple mismatched containers, you get a coordinated set that helps keep everything organized. Now let's test the airtight seal. The lid closes securely with a reassuring fit. When storing coffee beans, there's very little air exchange, helping preserve freshness and aroma. The same goes for flour, sugar, cereal, and other pantry staples. An airtight container won't stop food from aging forever, but it significantly reduces exposure to humidity and airborne contaminants compared with leaving food in opened bags. That's especially useful in warm or humid climates. One of the biggest advantages is how much cleaner your pantry looks. Replacing bulky food bags with matching stainless steel containers instantly creates a more organized kitchen. Labels can easily be added if desired, making ingredients easy to identify. Whether your kitchen is large or small, good organization saves time during meal preparation. Everything has its place. These containers aren't limited to dry goods. They're also useful for storing prepared ingredients, chopped vegetables, fruit, leftovers, or meal prep items in the refrigerator. The stainless steel construction doesn't retain odors as easily as some plastics, making cleanup much easier after storing strongly flavored foods. Cleaning is simple. The smooth stainless steel interior wipes clean with warm water and mild dish soap. The containers resist staining and won't absorb food odors the way some plastic containers can. For the best longevity, hand washing is recommended, especially to protect the airtight sealing components. Pros. Let's summarize what we liked. Premium stainless steel construction. Modern, minimalist design. Airtight BPA-free lids. Excellent pantry organization. Suitable for refrigerator storage. Odor and stain resistant. Easy to clean. Reusable and environmentally friendly. Stackable for better space utilization. Multiple sizes for different foods. Cons. Because they're stainless steel, you can't immediately see the contents without opening the lid, so adding labels may be helpful. Also, while they're highly durable, they can show light scratches over time with heavy daily use. So, is the 3-piece stainless steel food storage container set worth buying? Absolutely. If you're looking to upgrade your pantry with durable, reusable, and attractive storage containers, this set offers an excellent combination of style, practicality, and food preservation. The Airtight design helps keep pantry staples fresher, while the stainless steel construction provides a long-lasting alternative to traditional plastic containers. Whether you're organizing your pantry, meal prepping, or simply trying to reduce kitchen clutter, these containers are a smart investment. Thanks for watching another review from Smart Home Hub Review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews on smart home products, kitchen gadgets, coffee gear, and innovative everyday tools. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What would you store first in these containers? Coffee beans? Rice? Cereal? Pasta? Nuts? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Smart Home Hub review.